Hey guys, so today I'm turning in this look. So I have already pinned up my hair and set curlers in it. So I'm just straight starting with my face. First of all, I'm doing my base with the eye cream. So all of it will be moisturized. And then I'm just doing my brow regular. If you don't have any shape to your, do a arched brow. Then with the concealer, I'm doing my base and we don't need too much foundation today, but we need too much contour today. So for the contour today, we are doing a really great job because we are applying it on our cheekbones, on our eye sockets, and on our forehead. So our face can look as much as chiseled and perfectly snatched as it can be, and I'm blending it with a small sponge so I can look and go really snatched. That's why I have done my base first as well, because I want to the contour to pop out more. So after blending, this is how my face look, which is absolutely snatched. And for little more snatching, I'm doing a little bit of concealer again under my eyes, and going in with a brush and blending it only in that position, not anywhere else. Also, for today's eye makeup, we are going to do a hella snatchy eye or cut crease or whatever you can say it. So first of all, I'm going in with a brown and doing it on my crease and really snatching the brown out. Then I'm going with a pointed brush and using a concealer and cutting my crease. So you don't really have to be a pro in it, just use a little by little. Then you have to tap it your finger with your finger and it will be perfect, absolutely. And don't forget to wear a eyeliner, because I think in Ariana's look, eyeliner is not that important. The eyelash is really important, but I'm doing a base eyeline so my lashes can look as much as natural as possible. And also, you need to try a really long lash, because Ariana's contour and lashes are on point in every photos and pictures. So I'm again lining my line in the eyes, also in the inner corners, because I always line my inner corners so fake lashes can look as much as natural. Then we are moving on to the next step, which is our blush. So I'm using this kind of movie color and blending it only over the contour. I'm not going it with all over my face. And contouring is really point of this makeup, because I especially don't have that much of snatch face if you have Congo to you. So I'm now highlighting my face with a liquid highlighter so it can pop out more, and just pointing my usual places where we highlight. Also, something I feel that this makeup look really highlights your middle face and really contours your outer face. So that is the thing. Also, I'm doing my under lash line with a mascara, and this thing always happens to me, and this is so annoying because you have done your concealer, powder, everything, and then this. It is super annoying. However, let's forget it and move on. So I'm once more going in with the setting powder and highlighting my middle face. You don't really have to focus too much, but Ariana's under eyes always looks hella powdered. Also for lip shade, use as much as nude and natural you can. And this will be completed look. And let me change and feel myself. So this was the makeup. I hope you liked it. Also try yourself some of looks. Just don't be bored. And thank you.